Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. So mostly we could say that our short-term trading plan with the trade targets around 108.50 is done. So yes, market barely hasn't reached the 108.46 that we have specified in the weekend, but intraday XOP is completed. Market stands around 618 support on the daily chart, as you can see 108.80 area. Major events already have been released, except maybe CPI on the European Union that we will get tomorrow. And currently, if you hold bearish position, you could think about some booking of the profit, or at least partially. So maybe not the whole position if you would like to keep it for deeper standing targets, but at least some part, maybe it makes sense to book. So currently on the daily chart, we do not see some significant changes. The one thing that I would like to show you is that if you will take a look closer to the performance of the session by session, you can see long spikes to the upside. Every time when the market is trying to make the retracement, it's immediately had been sold out by the new traders and stepping in using any chance to take the short position. So once market just moving slightly higher, just it rise it head, it's immediately sold out. So this is indication of the bearish sign. And indeed, if you take a look at the treasuries, that I'm already every time I show you, let's take a look what's going on. Yields are rising. This makes additional pressure on all dollar rivals as attractiveness of the dollar is rising just because rising of the interest rates. Yesterday, Marjorie Green said that it's more chances that we will get the interest rates by the end of 2024 around 33%. But well, I'm not sure that's definitely will happen. And people start asking, and what if not? So as you can see, that's current performance on the monthly chart makes me think, especially breakout of the 30% level, moving above. It's not quite, it's coming to the top, but I suggest that this will happen. Moving above after the flag consolidation and moving above the 127 extension of this butterfly immediately lead us to next extension points around 5%. It's a long-term journey, but that's actually what's currently progressing as in the gold market, as in the euro currency. So that's why from that standpoint, this is bearish trend, and it's by taking a look in a bit more extended perspective. We already talked about this in the weekly report. We could potentially get this type of pattern. So I'm not be surprised if market return back to the 106, 107 area within the few weeks. So it's currently reasonable based on the performance that we see, but this is discussion for next week. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, take a look. Market has completed here the OP as we discussed and keep dropping lower. That's the target that I'm speaking about that has not been quite reached. It's 108.46, 1618 ultimate target of the butterfly, but maybe by some momentum, by some inertia, market could try to complete it today, tomorrow. I'm not excluding this chance. At the same time, as you can see here, we have the divergence. Since market stands at the 618 support on the daily, some technical pullback might happen just because market has reached few targets and some minor retracements as a result of the events that have happened. So we have got statistics as a result of the technical achievements, so market has reached few targets. This might be the pullback. That's actually the reason why I'm speaking about at least partial profit taken in the current area. Finally, on the hourly chart, you could see our triangle performance. So we were correct concerning downside breakout and touching of the 1618 market. Pips to pips has completed it, forming the butterfly. Target of the butterfly barrel has been reached. So it's now showing the pullback. Supposedly, it might happen that market could show a minor dive below the 1618 extension to complete as the butterfly, as 108.46 target on the 4-time frame chart, and then probably technical pullback could start. probably some minor bullish pattern could be formed right there. Everything stands as usual. So in the current environment, guys, if you would like to take the short position, I would wait and for a response, for a pullback, especially because we're coming to the CPI numbers from the European Union. It might bring some surprises, and well, who knows if it will be significantly higher than expected. It's again could resurrect the expectations from the European Central Bank that it could rise rate more, not only in September but later as well, and that could bring some additional stimulus to the euro currency and could show starting the pullback. Maybe CPI could become the trigger that could start the retracement. If you still hold short positions, as I said, think about partial closing, at least partial, maybe total closing. So that's actually what we have. Let's see what will happen.